Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. People experience anxiety in so many different ways. Most people try to avoid these feelings, but what if instead of avoiding these anxious feelings, you were able to experience your anxiety? When you're able to intentionally feel your way through your anxiety, you'll experience a much different situation. Think about the last time that you were feeling anxious. Was it when you had to give a presentation? Were you anxious about meeting your new boss? Or maybe you felt anxious about getting everything on your to-do list done on time. If you're ready to control how you feel about your anxiety so that you can have a more enjoyable life and start changing how you react to your anxiety, let's dive in. Most of us experience anxiety with things that haven't happened yet. When you do this, you usually anticipate or worry about what will happen. You might think that something will go wrong or that it's out of your control. And when you do this, your anxiety will start to build. You start feeling fear and anxiety ahead of time. Think about the last time that you felt anxious about something. Maybe it was meeting someone for the first time, a presentation that you gave at work, or even traveling for vacation. What were you thinking that caused you to feel anxious? Was it something like, they're not going to like me? Or, what if I mess this presentation up? Or, I don't feel comfortable flying. These are all legitimate thoughts for my 3 examples about feeling anxious. Maybe you've had multiple thoughts that led to even more anxious feelings. I want you to know that any action that you take from feeling anxious will impact the results that you see in your life. When you're able to notice how anxious you're feeling, make sure that you're experiencing this emotion. Notice that it's just your brain trying to protect you. I've mentioned in previous podcasts about the motivational triad, where your brain is there to help you seek pleasure, avoid pain, and conserve energy. This is another perfect example where your brain is trying to save you from something that it thinks is harmful to you or when you're in danger. It's great that it thinks that giving a presentation at work is going to be uncomfortable, so you feel anxious about it, even when you know that this is something that's going to help your career and everything will be okay. There are often times that you may start anticipating something that will be embarrassing, and you feel anxious about it, even when, in fact, it will likely never even happen. So what do you do when you're feeling anxious about something? And how can you overcome these actions so that you can accomplish what you truly want in your life? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, It's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.